Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song You're Gonna Be Okay by Jenn Johnson. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
I know it's all you got to just be strong, and it's a fight just to keep it together. I know you think that you are too far gone, but hope is never lost. Hope is never lost. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, don't let go. Just take one step closer. Put one foot in front of the other. You'll get through this. Just follow the light in the darkness. You're gonna be okay. I know your heart is heavy from those nights, but just remember that you are a fighter, a fighter. You never know just what tomorrow holds, and you're stronger than you know. You're stronger than you know. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, don't let go. Just take one step closer. Put one foot in front of the other. You'll get through this. Just follow the light in the darkness. One step closer. Put one foot in front of the other. You'll get through this. Just follow the light in the darkness. You're gonna be okay. And when the night is closing in, don't give up, don't give in. This won't last, it's not the end, it's not the end. You're gonna be okay. When the night is closing in, don't give up, don't give in. This won't last, it's not the end, it's not the end. You're gonna be okay. Hold on, don't let go. Hold on, don't let go. Just take one step closer. Put one foot in front of the other. You'll get through this. Just follow the light in the darkness. One step closer. Put one foot in front of the
So for this song, we're going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family, and we're going to be starting with the A minor 7 chord, which looks like this. So for this one, we have our first finger on the first fret of the B string and our second finger on the second fret of the D string. And we're going to be strumming from the A string down, so we want to avoid that low E string. So you can use your thumb just to touch it and mute it so it doesn't resonate while we strum. And then from here, we're going to an F over C chord, and to play that, I'm going to take my third and fourth finger and put them both down on the third fret of the A and the D string. And now I'm going to take my second finger and move it down one string to the G string, second fret. And this is my F over C. And I want to do the same thing, start my strumming on the A string and strum from that string down and avoid that low E string. And then from here we have a C chord. And to go to the C chord, I'm just going to remove my pinky and take my second finger and move it back up to the D string. And this is my C chord. And the same thing as the other two, we want to avoid that low E string, so we're just going to strum from the A string down for this one. And from here, we're going to go to a D minor chord. And to get there, I'm going to put my first finger on the first fret of the high E string. And then I have my second finger on the second fret of the G string, third finger, third fret of the B string. And for this one, I want to start my strumming on the D string, so I want to avoid the low E string and the A string for this one. So you just need to be careful when strumming that you do not strum those two strings at the top and you just strum the bottom register. And the last chord we have is a G chord, and we're going to play it with our second, third, and fourth finger like this. And this is going to be the only chord out of all 5 that we're actually going to strum all 6 strings. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. And we also want to make sure to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So that means every other beat we want to strum harder. So I'm just going to hold the C chord and I'm going to play through that driving pattern and count the beats out loud so you can hear what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Sometimes you may notice that I even completely eliminate the second beat. My hand still moves down for that second beat, but sometimes I don't actually hit any strings, especially for slower songs like this one in the verses. Sometimes I will do that. It just helps to add some extra dynamics. The rise and fall of the contrast of hard and soft and hard and soft. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.